Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be doing some more tidying up with the Mk4 Mondeo. In this one I'm going to be doing the rear light cluster, putting a new rubber on the pedal for the clutch because it's missing, and I'm also going to be replacing the struts that hold the boot up. So if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button, and if you're not, consider hitting the like button. Let's crack on. So it's not got a rub on the clutch pedal, so I've grabbed another one off a breaker. That's an easy replacement, just slides over. I say slides over, I think best to come from the bottom and work your way up. And that's another job done. As you can see, it's all broke here and damaged, so we're going to replace this with a nice new one, or second hand anyway. It's not brand new, but it'll do. And to do it, coming through the boot here, remove the access panel. So inside there you've got 3 bolts, they're all 10mm, and you need to release the light clip. So above the grey bit there's like a little latch, just pull down and it should slide out with 2 bulbs in it. So let me see if I can do that while holding the camera. There you go, didn't need much. And you just undo them 3 bolts. Okay, so let's undo them. See the 3 bolts there, one here right top and one over there, all 10mm. Let's undo them. There's the clip. Goes into this bit here. Back inside the car, do it all up. Then replace the light. Place the cover. Another job done. And there it is. Nice and done. Nice and fresh. Looks a lot better. On the passenger side now, as you can see, we've got some of this fly eye stuff. And I started to remove some of it, and actually realised the light's got a crack in it just here. So I've got another one there to replace this side as well. Same principle as the other side. 3 10mm bolts. And I forgot to mention a little something. I'll just show you. In fact, I can show you here on the back of this one. This little clip here, once you've removed your lights with this like that, and everything's out, the 10mm bolts are off, 3 10mm bolts are off, you lift this latch up here and it helps slide it out. So I'm going to set the camera up and show you what I mean. So I'm going to remove the light. Okay, nope. You can see the clip just there. Push that up and it should release the light from the front. There's water inside that. Yeah, there was water inside it. Probably a good thing I'm changing it. So that latch there you lift up and it just slides out. And just replace the light. Replace the cover. And that is another job done. Now it's time to do the struts. So they're out and replaced. Now time to do the struts. These are cheap enough to replace, so I'm just going to swap them out. The reason being is as you lift the boot up, it like judders, could grease them up, but for the price of these, just swap them for a new set. And all you particularly need for this is a pick or a flat-headed screwdriver. So the same on this side with the strut, little pin. Same with the top one. Then again, support the boot, pop out. And same at the top. Then the new one, place, clicks over. And the same at the top. And that's another bunch of little jobs done. And as always, if you like the videos, consider hitting the like button, and if you're new, consider hitting the subscribe button. And in the next few videos, should be starting to work on the Mondeo ST220 with the front hubs, the new bearings on the front, and all suspension parts, so stay tuned for that one. But for now, see you soon. Bye for now.